Hey everyone! Today we're gonna do a quick Gua Sha routine to lift the eyes. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize the skin. We start with relaxing the eye and brow muscles. For this move, lift your forehead slightly upwards and then start to move with your Gua Sha over your brows outwards to the temples. Keep doing this for 20 seconds. This massage will depuff and lengthen the muscles. Also, it will release any tension by detoxification. At the end, keep massaging on your temples lightly for a couple of seconds. By massaging on the temples, we are activating and opening lymph nodes that are located in this area. This exercise will promote lymphatic drainage and helps to flush out toxins and reduce puffiness in the forehead and brow area. Next move is to lift eyes and brows. Put your Gua Sha on the outer corners of your eyes and start to massage and vibrate outwards and upwards towards your scalp. Don't apply too much pressure. Keep doing this for 20 seconds smoothly on each eye. This move will lift the eye corners and brows and give you the cat eye look. It will improve skin elasticity, increase blood circulation. As a result, it will help with a brighter looking eye. Next move is forehead lift. Put your Gua Sha on your forehead and start to move upwards over your brows towards the scalp. Keep doing this for 20 seconds slowly on each brow. This exercise raises sagging eyebrows that may cause a tired or angry appearance. It will smooth horizontal forehead lines and vertical frown lines. Also, it creates a more youthful look. So this was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share. See you next one. Bye.